They're videoing, not everybody. Everybody, you know how long should be I've been one who requested. Yes.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard this American flight taking us to Abuja.
And we're going to be embarrassed. And we're going to be embarrassed. We need to embarrass people. Embarrassing. Don't put your hand on the passport under any circumstance. Passengers have rights. And they themselves inside the camera. It's more wrong place than what we're doing. But that's true. You know what we're doing is wrong. You know you need to embarrass people because you hate some people because you think it's the end of the world. It's wrong. The guys who are irrational. He said, I know me. I travel all over the world. That's your problem. It's not my problem. If you don't want to be on camera, everybody should. If you don't want to be on camera, find a job where there is no camera. Find a job where there's no camera. Yes. No. If you don't want to be on camera, go and find a job where there are no cameras. There is. And I'm telling you, there is. There is. You have to stop embarrassing people on the phone, Eric. Yes. You see now, they have to insult us. If you don't want cameras, don't walk in public. Don't walk in public. What's wrong with you guys?
Good afternoon, distinguished ladies and gentlemen from the flight deck. This is your captain. I'd like to welcome you aboard. Service is 405 Shuttle to Abuja. My sincere apologies for this late departure. It was due to earlier closure of Port Harcourt Airport and that of Abuja due to bad weather in the morning in Abuja. And we are moving. However, in spite of this today, we do hope you enjoy the trip. I'm just been told boarding is as comfortable as a rubber handset at this time. My residence doors are shut.
You talk to me.
Since they are flight positions, you'll change yourself.
Everyone is there, the captain wants to strand.
Flight time to Abuja this afternoon will be 15 minutes and we'll fly on 21,000.
Complete just
I want to see where the world captain says that somebody cannot film himself while he's on ground.
You are filming us.
You are public. You are part of the public. You serve the public. That's what I'm going to tell you. Let's go and see the captain.
For you to film your
No, I have a right to film myself.
Soji will be flying us to Abuja. Very confident safety I have for you guys, led by Bio is a cabin supervisor today. He will shortly introduce the rest of his team. I will please give them your 10 minutes undivided attention when he gives you safety movements in the aircraft. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, welcome and enjoy your hospitality. Cabin crew, let's rock and roll.
Direct access message number 1. This is a fasten seatbelt announcement.
How are you, Captain?
Maoni.
Shall I fear you? Well done, sir.
My president in waiting.
How's everything?
Well, okay, good. When he came suffering, before you do any recordings, you just want to get express permission.
Yeah.
Because you don't do live recordings like this.
Yes, so I understand that you may not do live recording when you're in flight. Yeah. But I don't understand how I cannot film myself on an aircraft. I've never heard that before.
Sorry. The other time in Abuja we have a problem.
No, we didn't have problem with you. You are the people having problems with yourself. Arik is the only one doing it.
Wait. So you can film yourself in the flight.
Yes.
On the ground.
Yes.
That's not the problem.
Exactly.
But you must also have express permission from the senior, from the crew that I'm going to be doing this. Because, listen, there are certain times you can do that. You can film yourself in the aircraft.
And that's what I'm doing. I'm filming myself inside the aircraft. When I'm flying, I do it all over the world. And I'm so Arik is the only one that victimizes me on this matter.
No, it's not victimization.
Yes.
Because every airline has their own standard operating
And I like to
procedures.
see procedures that says that when you are still on the ground, I can't film myself. I would love to say.
You can feel yourself.
Okay.
That's not the problem.
Okay.
You know, but again, just let the crew know you're doing this.
They are aware. They know me already. Ask them. They all know me. You know, he was just saying it that he didn't know me. Yes.
I did.
They try to embarrass me all the time.
No, it's not.
That's what Eric does. They know that I film myself. I film myself all over the
But
world.
if I say you cannot film me,
I'm not. You look. If you don't want to be filmed,
Yes.
don't work in the public. In the first place, go and find a job where there are no cameras. This is not the office. We share the space. You know, you share the space with me.
Listen, this
I
is
have-
where
you know.
this is where what he is saying.
You can use face
Listen.
mask if you don't want to be filmed.
No.
Yes, on an
You
aircraft.
You cannot film the crew while they are doing.
No, I'm filming myself. If a
Good,
crew
good,
comes
yourself.
into my camera, I can't stop him. If I'm walking into the aircraft,
film yourself, but
Yes.
don't film the crew while they're
no.
walking.
If they come to serve me and they come in the camera, I can't stop it. I'm filming myself.
But however,
Yes.
once we start engines and doors are closed, you have to stop filming.
Yes, look,
Yeah.
I,
You know that-
understand,
you
I,
can do
understand,
the-
I understand the anxiety
Yeah.
that you guys have, but you know this has no impact on you at all. You know, when I was walking into this plane, I saw you on your phone. You're making calls, right? I cannot come and say, pilot, don't make a call because you know it doesn't affect you.
Yeah,
You're on
it's
the ground, right?
Yeah, it's on the ground.
And you are,
and as soon as I
all
close my
to the
door, those
ground.
phones will switch off.
See,
Yeah.
you can say that,
Yeah.
but I know even that is an overkill, is an overreach. But
Yeah.
you're a pilot, so you have a right to make the rules after you close your door.
Yes.
But you know, I'm just telling you that you should tell your people, especially Eric, they should stop embarrassing themselves, not us now. Because when you land, the first thing you should tell us is now you can use your phones.
Yeah.
But your people,
Yeah.
maybe they have not gotten the training or the memo. They'll tell you, "Oh, we've landed, but you still can't use your phone."
That is the SOP of Harry.
It's not SOP.
No, you see,
People need to catch up with it.
Emirates can tell you you can even use your phone on
No,
board.
of course.
So that's
If you are
their SOP.
if you are
No,
selling
no.
internet to me, what do you expect me to use it
Exactly.
with?
So
Yes,
this
I'll
is-
use it for.
every airline has their own SOP.
No, there's no.
Every airline has their own SOP. That's the way
I
Eric.
would love to see your SOP, Captain. Is
If
this
you
something
come-
that you can make available to
If
us?
you come to the head office and you meet the
No, but I was
relations
even
manager, you make-
when I was
make
going
it
from here to Abuja the last time, they arrested me on Arik. I asked them for the Arik led me to the office of what's it called, FAN. I asked them for the SOP till today. They can't provide it. Apparently they don't have SOP.
No, we have SOP, my brother. Go and sit down, no problem. Have a
Keep
good
flying so that we can get this country working.
Yeah, yes,
And,
no problem.
You know, I have a very, very interesting history with Eric, you know, of the way they run the place. So I think it's part of the fallover that being a reporter was critical of them. They feel like they can keep embarrassing me, but they can't do that to me.
But
They
you know
know
that
that.
the Arik you know before is a different Arik right now.
I
So you
hope
know.
so. I hope so.
No,
You know,
it's not
maybe
run
there
by
are
the
still some
owners.
carryover from the past. Because
The
otherwise, I
Arik-
don't know
the
why
Arik
we're
you know
having
now-
this
the
conversation.
Arik you know now is not the Arik you know before. It's a different Arik entirely. Different
They-
ballgame.
they-
Run by professionals.
You need to change your uniforms, perhaps.
Our
Run
ground,
by
it's
professionals.
our ground time.
No problem.
No.
No problem. I said for him to speak
You
with
see
him.
now.
I said,
Do
okay.
you want to come on board now so that we can understand? You people.
So already, last issue that we had in Abuja, I was the one that stood by you.
Yeah, you didn't stand by me. You should stand by your office to stop doing this embarrassment, okay?
You want to be
Have a nice day.
president, and you're doing this. Who votes you?
It's no, we don't. I don't need the vote of people who don't understand how things work.
Cabin crew prepare for departure, please. Good afternoon once again, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of our Captain Chris Najomo, aka Jolly Papa, and your entire crew would like to wish you a very warm welcome on board our Boeing 737 the series aircraft shortly passing for Abuja. Flight time to Abuja today will be 55 minutes. In preparation for departure, please ensure seat backs are in your prime position, which arm raised down, your tray table stowed away, and your seat belts are securely fastened. Passengers that are the exit rows are kindly requested to read the notice concerning emergency exit, which is placed in the seat pocket adjacent to the exit. Also like to remind you that our flight to non-smoking, therefore smoking is not permitted anytime while on board.
For safety reason, each laboratory is a sensitive smoke detector. Signal fence, signal smoking regulation, temper with or destroy laboratory smoke detector. Also like to remind all passengers that Nigerian civil aviation regulation requires that all mobile phone be switched off. The passenger must comply with the orders issued by the captain and his crew. My name is Bayo, walking with today. I'm Abubakar, Jude and IJ. If there's anything our my crew can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you. Welcome on board. Cabin crew, demonstration position please.
Arriving at the party on time, they're arguing over irrelevant things.
Cabin crew, demonstration position please. Ladies and gentlemen, will please have your attention for the next few minutes as we run through some important safety procedures on board this Boeing 737-700 series aircraft. We ask that you watch and listen carefully. The seatbelt is fastened, adjusted, and unfastened like this. Whenever the seatbelt signs are turned on, or you're present to do so by the crew, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. We also recommend you keep your seatbelts loosely fastened throughout the flight. This Boeing 737 is equipped with 6 emergency exits. There are 2 exits at the rear of the aircraft, 2 moving exits at the center, and 2 exits at the front of the aircraft and clearly marked. The cabin crew now points at the exits nearest to you. Please remember the nearest exit may be behind you. In the event of having to use an escape slide, leave all hand baggage behind and remove your shoes as we enter the slide. These aircraft are equipped with a low-level lighting system. Following the lights along the aisle, can locate your nearest exit. Visibility is reduced in the cabin. The cabin pressure is controlled for your comfort. Should we change the cabin pressure and oxygen mask like this, will drop from the panel above your seats. Pull sharply on the mask. This action starts the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Adjust the bag to secure it. Please note that the bag does not inflate. Do not remove the mask until advised by a member of the crew. You must fit your own mask before helping others. Your life jacket is located under your seat. In the event of lead and water, remove it from its container and slip over your head. Pass it around your waist and attach the buckle to the clip at the front. Pull down the straps and adjust it around your waist. To inflate your life jacket, pull down sharply on the 2 red tabs at the bottom. If your life jacket fails to inflate or requires stopping up, blow it rubber tubes at the top of the jacket. There's a lighter that illuminates once you contact with water. Your life jacket must only be inflated once outside the aircraft. And for further information on the safety features of this aircraft, there's a safety card located in the seat pocket in front of you. It contains detailed information on the exit operation, as well as the brace position you must adopt in the event of emergency landing. We ask you to take a few moments to review this prior to takeoff. The cabin crew now be completing the final check of the cabin. We thank you for your attention and wish you a very pleasant flight, sirs.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, for those passengers continuing to Lagos, should kindly see one of our ground staff at the foot of the aircraft. For all those passengers connecting onto Lagos, should kindly meet one of our ground staff at the foot of the aircraft. Thank you.
Everybody's gonna get them.
Are you not informed on the current development? It's a boss told me that I had a newspaper that had some estates. It's more news now. You are aware of it. That is the reason. That is the reason you go to where the issue is.
Where's my backpack? No, let's give it to me.
Captain Jolly Papa.
Yes, so anytime.
Well done. I enjoy that your announcement.
Thank you.
On our way to Lagos from Sokoto, encounter Eric and South, and they marked us out for harassment. Still waiting for the standard operation procedure. The train doesn't allow you to film when you're entering the train. You can't find it.
This is our future president. The man of the people. The man of the people. Wait. Mr. Snappers, I think. Man of the people. Our own. We want you. Enough is enough. We have to take it back. We have to take it back. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. We have to take it back, whether they like it or not. The God will surely be with you. Nothing will happen to you. We are supporting you to the power.
so much.
Too much.
That's what they don't want people to see. The support we are getting from the masses. Poor people, poor workers. Today, South Africa just increased minimum wage to 138,000 naira. Our economy is bigger than that of South Africa, according to them. We can't afford to pay 30,000 naira. Shame on us. Shame on our leaders. Shame on all the students. Look at this. These are airports. Part of the reason they don't want to use camera.